Today I adventured into Pisgah National Forest to continue working on the Carolina Mountain Club's 100 Waterfall Challenge. This is the trail to Douglas Falls, which as you can see starts off paved, but shortly transitions to very rocky single track. It was super foggy when I started in the morning, which I think actually kept most people away. There was barely anyone in the parking lot when I started, and by the time I got back, it was completely full. I did get the waterfall all to myself, which is always a plus. All of these rocks do get a bit slippery when they're wet. The left trail here will take you to Craggy Gardens, and the right takes you to Douglas Falls. I was trying to figure out what these metal bars were used for at some point. I wasn't sure if they were rescue tie-off points or if there was some kind of railing here once, maybe when they were building the trail. If it wasn't for this waterfall being on the 100 waterfall challenge list, I probably wouldn't have came here, because in the pictures it didn't look that big or impressive, but I'm so glad I did end up coming here, because clearly my assumptions were wrong. As I was leaving, I saw the sign. Hopefully it was referring to another side trail I saw there, because this trail is how I got to this point and it was my only way back. I didn't see any trail closure signs at the other end of the trail, and on my way back I saw 5 other groups of people, so I'm thinking that sign was referencing a different trail. A little later in the day it finally cleared up, which I was really thankful for, because since I was in the area, I wanted to go to Craggy Dome as well, but I wanted to actually be able to see the view. The trail for Craggy Dome is significantly more overgrown than the trail for Douglas Falls, and the trail is a bit steeper than I expected. It's a hard hike up, but you're rewarded with some great mountain views. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.